Hey guys, it's Cam and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, then welcome, and I would love it if you joined the Cam fam by hitting that subscribe button down below. So I actually had to get ready for a Zoom business call that I have in a couple hours, and so I wanted to just kind of film myself getting ready for it for you guys. This is also just kind of like the makeup look that I've been doing just around the house. It's like a quarantine glam, so to speak, because I have nowhere to go, although I am actually starting work like tomorrow and almost consistently every day, so I'm going to be going out every day starting tomorrow, so I'm a little bit freaked out about that, but yeah, so we'll see how that goes. But basically I've been either like at an absolute zero, not doing any makeup during like the stay-at-home order, or this is like my full glam that I've been doing at home. Like I have no in between. It's all or nothing for me. So if you guys want to see my stay-at-home quarantine glam, then keep watching. So I'm just gonna apply some primer first, and I'm using the Touch in Sol No Pore Blum Prime Essence. I'm just gonna do 3 drops and then just spread it all over. So this is basically the foundation that I use like on a daily basis, even when I'm just chilling home, because it's got my SPF in it and it's got a lot of really good skincare ingredients. So I don't really feel like I'm wearing foundation, and I still feel like it's beneficial for my skin without feeling like a bunch of caked on makeup. So it's the It Cosmetics Bye Bye Foundation, and I'm in the shade Light. And I'm just gonna basically apply a pump of this, maybe a pump and a half. And then I always use a brush with this foundation to get the best coverage out of it. And then for concealer, I'm just using my ColourPop No Filter Concealer, and this is in the shade Fair 4. And I've really just been using a little bit of this. And then I'm just going to use my e.l.f. loose setting powder to set everything in place. So next I'm just going to fill my brows in with a pencil, and I've been using the NYX Micro Brow Pencil in the color Taupe. So now I'm going to grab my Too Faced Chocolate Soleil Bronzer, and I'm basically just going to start contouring out my cheeks a little bit with this. Around my forehead, my jawline. I'm also going to bring it through my crease. And then I'm going to contour my nose with it. So for my contour, I'm going to grab the Tarte Park Avenue Princess Contour Palette. And I'm going to grab this shade right here, Princess Cut. And so this is what I'm using for my actual cheek contour. And then I'm going to grab this darkest shade called Crown, and I'm going to run some of this shade in my crease to deepen it up even more. And then I'm also smudging it along my lower lash line. So now for blush, I'm actually busting out one that I don't think I've shown you guys yet, and this is Style from MAC. I get like just the pans of these so that way I can put them in a palette later, but I love this because it is just super nice and peachy with like a gold shimmer to it. So if you don't like slightly shimmery blushes, then this wouldn't be for you, but if you just want like a nice glowy subtle cheek, then you'll love this. So I'm just going to apply this blush, and again, this is Style by MAC. And this just looks so beautiful, especially with the golden highlight, because it brings out like the gold sheen in this. Then I'm taking another MAC favorite of mine, and this is the eyeshadow in Bronze. And I'm gonna apply this to the lid. And it should blend in pretty seamlessly with those crease shades that we used. And then I'm just going in and blending that out a little bit. So now I'm just gonna take my Kopari Coconut Rose Toner and just spritz my face with this. And for highlighter, I'm grabbing my Ofra All of the Lights palette, and I'm using this top color right here, which is Rodeo Drive. So I'm popping that in the inner corner on my brow bone. I feel like highlighting is like the most satisfying part of doing my makeup. And then I'm just applying it on my cheekbones. So now I'm taking my black Makeup Forever waterproof eye pencil, and first I'm just going to line the top lash line, and I'm really trying to make this like very smudgy and smoky. That's why I don't want to use liquid liner or even gel liner or anything like that, and just really smoke out the top lash line. Then I'm just going to apply some L'Oreal Telescopic Mascara. And then I'm just going to pop on my Lily lashes in the style Mykonos. Then I'm just popping that same eye pencil in my waterline. And then in the outer corner, I'm kind of like smudging it out to really like open up the eye. And this just really helps smoke out the eyes. So now let's finish up with lips. I'm grabbing my Stila Stay Day lip liner, and this is in the color Rosé. And I'm basically overlining my lips with this. Then I'm grabbing my MAC lipstick, and this is in the color Creme de la Femme. So it's a kind of like dark mauve with gold reflex in it. And so what I like to do sometimes is fill my lips in with a darker color like this, and then jump in with a much lighter lip gloss on top. So I'm going to grab my Gerard Cosmetics lip gloss in the color Sugar Mama, and then use that to brighten up this lipstick. Alright, so here's the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed this look. If you did, then make sure to hit that like button down below for me. So as always, I'm going to leave you guys with 2 more videos by me to check out. And then click on my face to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Thank you so much for watching, my loves, and I'll see you in my next video. Mwah.